Did you know with only a few ingredients you can make your own nut butters at home? Just like this macadamia nut butter. It is so delicious. Now you need to start with about 200 to 250 grams of macadamias. And what I've done is toasted them in the oven. So I preheat my oven to about 150 degrees and I cook them for about 20 minutes or until they're this light golden color. Allow them to cook completely and then into a food processor. To this, I'm going to add some maple syrup. Now, this is totally optional. I want mine to be a sweet spread. If you don't want to add this, you can leave it out. So just a hint of that maple syrup. And like all really good nut butters out there, a pinch of salt really brings out the flavour of the nut. So a pinch of good quality salt. The lid goes on and I'm going to start to blend this until all the nuts start to break down and release their oils. Then I'm going to slowly add in some more oil. Because I'm going with a macadamia theme, I'm going to add some macadamia oil. So about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth. All right, let's have a look at this. It smells so good. I'm just gonna scrape down the sides. You can see it's starting to become quite sticky and it's holding its shape nicely. You can see it's releasing the oils too. This is a great sign. So scrape down the sides and we'll blend this again and then we can start adding the oil. All right, this is ready to go. It smells fantastic. Look at that, perfect nut butter using macadamias. Now, because my macadamia nuts were so oily, I actually only needed 1 tablespoon of macadamia oil, and you can see the consistency of it, just perfect. If you want to store this, just pop it into a sterilized jar and you can store it in your pantry. I'm going to serve this with some ricotta. So fresh ricotta delicata, and I'm going to spread this on some toast, be quite generous with it. And this is just a wonderful breakfast. The combination of that creamy ricotta and the macadamia nuts that are just lightly sweetened by that maple syrup. We'll just spread that evenly. To that, we're going to drizzle over our freshly made macadamia nut butter over the top. And I always have some fresh berries on standby. So some stunning blackberries, we'll just pop them on top. Some raspberries. If you haven't tried making your own nut butters at home, we'll give it a go. You can see it's quite simple to do and the taste is just stunning. That with fluffy ricotta, fresh berries, that's my Sunday morning sorted. It really is something quite special.